Hey guys, we've received tons and tons of questions about an indicator called Bollinger Bands. Now, I know some of you have heard of the Bollinger Bands and some of you have not. The questions are, is it a pullback indicator? Is it a breakout indicator? Is it a reversal indicator? How do you use the Bollinger Bands the right way? How do you benefit the most from it? Well, that's what I'm going to teach you in today's video. I'm going to demystify Bollinger Bands for you. Hey gang, we're in the lab and today we're going to talk about how to get the most out of Bollinger Bands, all right? Very exciting topic and very important topics because Bollinger Bands are very effective and very popular indicators for stocks, futures, forex, and commodities. So the first question is, what exactly is a Bollinger Band? Bollinger Bands were named after a gentleman by the name of John Bollinger. And he realized that stocks and commodities, believe it or not, but Bollinger Bands were originally created for commodities and later applied to the stock market because the stock market became volatile in the late 80s and early 90s. Before that, nobody traded stocks. People invested stocks. So all that changed when stocks became volatile. But this works well for stocks, commodities, futures, and forex. It actually works really well for any asset that's very liquid, okay? So what exactly is a Bollinger Band? It's very simple. It's a moving average with a standard deviation on both sides. And what the standard deviation does is it causes the bands to overreact on the way up and down. So what that does is it creates an envelope above, right here, above the trading action and below the trading action. And the reason it's called an envelope is because it covers most of the trading range. As you can see, most of the trading range is inside the Bollinger Band. Not always, but most of the time. So how do most traders utilize the Bollinger Bands? Okay, most traders use them to pick lows and highs. They buy near the low and they sell near the high. They use the Bollinger Bands to enter when the price pulls back and exit when it rallies. So it's a pullback indicator for the most part, okay? Most traders use it for pullbacks. They buy when the price deviates, goes slightly below the Bollinger Band, and when it jumps back up to above fair value, they liquidate the trade. The entry's here, the exit's here. Okay, very, very simple. Bollinger Bands have been around for a very long time, and most traders use them for pullback trades. But believe it or not, you can also use them for momentum style trading. That's right, you sure can. And I'm going to show you how in just a minute. Right now, markets are breaking out. And if you want to learn more about momentum trading, I created an amazing video that'll teach you all the tricks. I highly recommend you sign up below this video. Here's something most traders don't know. Bollinger Bands make excellent indicators for momentum, not for picking pullbacks and selling highs, but for buying highs and selling higher, okay? This chart that you're looking at right now of Amazon, notice each time price breaks out, it continues moving higher. So traders don't just use Bollinger Bands for pullbacks, they also use them for breakouts. In this example, you could see price breaking above the envelope. Most traders would use that as an exit filter, but we use it as an entry filter. We enter Amazon when price breaks above the Bollinger Band. So the question is, what do we do after entry? We trail the price with a moving average, with the actual band. And if it penetrates the band like it did right here near September, we would get out. But look at what happened. We were able to enter the trade near the 1100 level, and we were able to ride Amazon all the way to about the 1700 level by using Bollinger Bands in a completely unorthodox way. Instead of using Bollinger Bands to trade pullbacks or to find pullbacks, we're using Bollinger Bands for momentum. We're fading the Bollinger Band, and it works great. As a matter of fact, some of my best trading strategies when I was an institutional trader involved using a 90-day Bollinger Band and buying above the high and selling below the low. If you enjoyed this tutorial on Bollinger Bands and want to learn more about momentum trading methodologies that work in the current market, I highly recommend you sign up for my upcoming momentum class. There's no cost and you can sign up below this video. It's totally actionable and you'll learn several different momentum trading tactics that you can apply to your trading right away. Don't miss out. Talk soon.